name is Fernando. I'm the co-director of Space Transcribers. Space Transcribers is a non-profit organization based in Braga in Portugal. And basically we are a collective of architects and artists and that pursue to create methodologies about how to transcribe places and spaces in the contemporary built environment. So for us, co-design starts as a conversation, as a dialogue, and we see our role as a form of mediation. And here the mediation is a term about creating a safe space for different agents to be able to speak and share their perspectives and points of view about the specific problematic found in the built environment. In the summer lab, the Transcribe Summer Lab that we organized in 2017 in Braga, and because Braga social housing neighborhoods were deeply disconnected from the city of Braga, the concept of co-design became as a collaborative process of mediating and connecting disconnected parts. So for us, co-design is creating collaborative and open-ended processes rather than individual and self-centered, deterministic, fixed, and authorship solutions.
Okay, so my name is Daniel. With Fernando, I'm also the co-director of Space Transcribers. And the biggest challenges we find in most of our projects, and the Transcribe Summer Lab, it worked the same, is how you create a safe space and a democratic space, an ethical space in which different agents can talk. So it's really a question of safety and democracy, and in being fair, the way people can share their ideas and feel they can be heard. And also the biggest challenge, and it's something we talk a lot, is how these projects can have continuity. So how you see it, how you can do something that's very spontaneous, that has a fixed time in space and time, and you can do something that creates a seed that can have its autonomy and its own life in the future. So this is a big challenge, yeah.
This summer lab attempted first to turn visible hidden connections found in the Braga social housing neighborhoods. And especially to mediate a neglected community of these neighborhoods with local agents. So we created a communication strategy to reach different publics. And this was developed through the experimentation of different mediums, such as events, performances, workshops, publications, film and exhibitions. So we can see here architecture is understood as an interdisciplinary and expanded field. So for us, it was also important to diversify, to test and spread multiple ways of sharing knowledge and ideas to not only in the social housing neighborhoods, but also to the wider publics in Braga.
Okay, and we have 20 seconds. So in terms of planning, it's really about, there's a first part of research. We are a research-based practice, so this is something that's very important for us. And then the summer lab was designed between a practical and a theoretical part. And the practical part is really about how in 1 week you can engage participants in doing something very specific for the site that can activate some sort of system. Okay, I think we're out of time, so.